Hanggang ngayon, matindi pa rin ang polusyon sa ating mga ilog at karagatan. Yan ang problema na
Lumalabas sa
isolusyonan
pangatlo ang Pilipinas
ng isang
bilang
grupo.
pinakamalaking
Kilalanin natin
polluter
sila
pagdating sa
report ni
plastic
Bea.
waste.
In correlation with ecological literacy is to reflect and recognize our role in preserving the planet, fostering a sense of responsibility for a sustainable future. Today, we bring you a story of hope, action, and environmental responsibility. Watch as the students plan and prepare for a visit and make a change in the Purocalubay, Barangay Sampinet.
So guys, what if we make a documentary video about the coastal area of Purocalubay? What if we plant some mangrove trees and become some trashes? Not only for our documentation, but also to clean up the seashores and let us connect with nature.
Roaming around the Sea of Calubay, what have you seen and what can you say about those experiences?
Upon roaming around, we saw a lot of plastic scattered everywhere, which is harmful to our environment, especially to the species to our ocean.
When we are roaming around the Sea of Purocalubay, we saw trashes scattered all over, and it is just ironic that there are more trashes than the mangroves itself.
Seeing the garbage in the Sea of Calubay highlights the urgent need for environmental care and raises questions about how pollution affects in our life. It might make you curious how ways to clean up the ocean and protect its beauty.
Roaming around the Sea of Calubay, I saw the beauty and the animals living in it, feel the calm and inspired to care of the nature.
Roaming around the seafront of Calubay, I saw that there are a lot of garbage scattered around, and it was disheartening to see how the pollution is harming our environment, and it made me realize the urgent need to take care of our natural resources.
As a first-timer in planting mangroves, how does it feel?
As we visited here in Barangay Calubay, and as a first-timer in planting mangroves, we felt excited, and at the same time, we have experienced a lot of struggles in planting mangroves since we are surrounded by a lot of garbages, including plastics, diapers, and many more.
Mangrove planting was an enriching experience.
I felt rewarded and meaningful. I realized the importance of teamwork and how small actions can make big difference.
It felt fulfilling and meaningful knowing that I contributed to protect the marine life and improving the environment. The experience was both humbling and inspiring as I learned the importance of mangroves in coastal ecosystem.
Planting mangroves for the first time was a good experience. I learned they help protect the shore and support sea life.
What ways do you recommend to sustain the beauty of the sea and to lessen the garbage in the ocean?
To sustain the beauty of the sea, I recommend regular cleanup drives and implementing stricter waste management practices in the community, because educating people about the importance of reducing, reusing, and recycling can also make a big difference in our community.
I would recommend reducing single-use plastic, encouraging local initiatives such as cleanup drives, and posting environmental campaigns on social media to reduce and lessen environmental impacts to sustain the beauty of our environment.
It was a good experience to be a part of this mangrove planting activity, and by planting mangroves, we can catch the trash floating around the shore, and it will also serve as natural habitats for the sea creatures such as fish, crabs, and it feels good also to contribute for the betterment of our environment.
To sustain the beauty of the sea and to lessen the garbage in the ocean, we can organize cleanup drives, promote proper waste disposal, raise awareness about ocean pollution, and advocate for eco-friendly practices.
How can you be an eco-literate person based on your experiences?
To become an ecologically literate person, you must have these 5 core principles. Number 1 is the awareness. Number 2, the critical thinking. Number 3, systems thinking. Number 4, empathy and compassion. And last is the reflective practice. So that by embracing these principles, knowledge, skills, and qualities, you will become an ecologically literate person, contributing to a sustainable future.
Based on my experience roaming around the coastal areas of Calubay, we can apply ecological literacies starting within ourselves for being disciplined. Secondly, being aware to our surroundings. And thirdly, thinking actions that gonna help our environment. And lastly, implementing our actions like proper segregation of plastics and planting mangroves in our coastal areas.
So from this experience, I learned that being eco-friendly means to understand the nature, helping to protect it, and serves a good example to other people.
As an ecologically literate person, we should implement the 3 R's to foster a sustainable lifestyle, protecting the environment, conserving resources, and promoting community well-being.
Overall, the responses of students not just emphasizes the relationship between a plant and a person, but also emphasizes the relationship among humans and how they collaborate and foster unity towards nature. The short adventure of students among the coastal area of Calubay brought them so much joy and want to come back again for they are willing and excited to come back for more. May this short documentation brings you hope, action, and a sense of environmental responsibility and sustainability. Let us not just say that we love our Mother Earth. Instead, let us take it into an action. We, the group 2 students of Bago City College from BN1A, will continue to develop and prosper ecological literacy towards the future, today, and tomorrow. We should protect our Mother Earth at all costs. That is all. Thank you for watching.